Well, good morning, traders. What I want to talk to you about here today is options on futures. One of the benefits of trading options on futures is you do not have a pattern day trading requirements. In other words, you can buy and sell these as many times during the course of the trading day as you want without getting tagged as a pattern day trader if you don't have $25,000 or more in your account. And that's the way it is with all futures, whether you're trading the futures contracts or just the options on futures. But what I'll talk to you about here today is the options on the futures. They have very good leverage. They're good to use as a hedge. If you trade the actual future contract and go long and it starts going against you, you can sell an option against it. And I'll talk more about that in a later video. But to give you an idea of the leverage available in the options on futures, I've pulled up here on the top is ZB, which is the long bond. And let's see if I can blow this up a little bit more. And anyway, ZB is the same thing as TLT. And right here, as you can see, I've went out. This is a trade entered with, I know it's kind of hard to see, but with on ZB right here, with 28 days, I went out and this is selling the 20 Delta Strangle. Okay, it requires about $2,400 of earnest money to put up to trade this, but the maximum potential profit is around $781. Now, when you trade options, a good rule of thumb is when you trade options is to take your winnings off at 50% of the profit you received or the price you received when you sold it. So if this trade makes about $390, you can close it, okay? To go and trade a 28-day 20 Delta Strangle on TLT, which is the same thing as trading interest rates, you'd have to put up about $2,500. So you're actually putting up $100 more to trade TLT, and the maximum profit's $142. Well, so you would look to close this out if you made $71. Well, that gives ZB a 5.5 to $1 ratio versus trading TLT. And you have to put up right up within $100 of the same amount of earnest money. So that's one of the benefits of trading futures. If you didn't want to trade ZB, the big bond, you could trade the same 20 Delta Strangle on ZN, which requires about half the money. And it would still offer you more leverage than TLT. Probably about, just about half of this. So over 2.5 times more leverage than trading TLT. So trading options on futures is something to look into. It's something to consider to add to your trading arsenal, and good bang for your buck. So hope you learned something from this video, and good luck to you.